Welcome to our raisin processing plant. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of freshly harvested grapes are transformed into naturally sweet raisins.
The ripeness is excellent on this batch.
Okay, signal them to start the unload sequence.
Fresh grapes are thoroughly washed and prepared to ensure the highest standards of food safety and quality.
Is the water pressure dropping on line 3?
Yes, adjusting the flow rate now. Looks stable.
Each batch is carefully dried and tested to achieve the perfect balance of sweetness, texture, and shelf stability.
Every package is carefully inspected before leaving the factory to ensure exceptional quality.
And that's how millions of fresh grapes become naturally sweet raisins enjoyed around the world. Thanks for joining us on this factory tour.